What's up, guys? I'm watching another video. As you guys can see, David is washing the E92, and it's a sad day because this is the last car wash of me owning the car. Tomorrow morning, the winner's gonna come pick up the car. We did pick a winner, guys. I want to say thank you to everyone who participated in the giveaway. I wish I could give away a car to every single one of you, but at least you guys got some fire merch. But yes, we did pick a winner yesterday, and he is picking up the car tomorrow morning. So David's getting it all washed and clean, fully detailed. It's gonna look good. But I am sad. This car looks so freaking good, bro. The last time you washed it, G? Yeah, too. Huh? What you say? What? I was gonna say that too. Oh, well, it is sad though. Like, it's finally happening. It went by so fast. Like, I feel like we just started the giveaway like yesterday. Yeah. It's already a whole month went by. But yeah, it does look good. I haven't even taken it to a car meet. He already did the engine bay. It should look mint already. Last time he did the engine bay, bro, it should look like I had 10,000 miles, bro. It should look brand new.
Remember before?
I know. This car was bad. Bro, look at the red, too. That red shines. But yeah, anyways, we're going to get washed real quick, and then after he's done with that, me and Jacob are going to take the G80 out. Let's go do some, like, cool video with it. Do some flybys. But that car sounds crazy, bro. And I feel like I haven't filmed enough of it. So we do, like, some flybys. Maybe a launch. You know there's a launch control on manual? I didn't even know that.
I didn't know that.
And I've never tried it, but we can maybe try it.
How do you even launch that?
I have no idea. We're going to have to look it up, but it has a launch control and a manual transmission. We're going to see how it feels. Yeah, I don't know. Chill little vlog. Tomorrow is going to be the banger where the winner comes and picks up the car. And you guys will get to see all that.
You think they noticed?
Where's your headlight? What would you say if the cops actually pulled you over? I just feel like it fell out. This is my homie told me that he got pulled over once for it, and he told the cop, "I'm waiting for my headlights to come in the mail from Germany. That I got like back order or something," and they can't believe it.
Guys, if you guys want to hire, if you guys want to work for Essential Auto Spot, DM me right now. DM me. Let me see what you guys are about.
This shit look clean. See, now the car got 30K miles. David could roll back your miles, guys.
I love you guys.
No, honestly though, like an engine bay cleaning does a huge difference, bro. But yeah, it's all detailed. Inside's all clean. David like fully detailed it. Glad we were able to install that before the giveaway was over. That is the last car wash with the E92. Stay tuned, because we might be doing another giveaway, so whoever didn't win this one, don't worry. We might do another one in the future. All right, now that Jacob's filming, we can do more AI stuff. So let's see if we can make both M3s turn into Transformers and like fight each other. Can you do that? Later, bro. How do I turn the traction off? There has to be a traction button. Oh,
He should have crashed it, so I could have got collateral. Snoop Dogg, no.
Alright, you want to do the crip walk?
Yeah, maybe do a crip walk.
have you been in it after I retuned it?
No.
I think it's quicker. Feels
It's
faster.
fine.
Yeah.
Well, this car is so sick to drive. Bro, this shit's like such a short shift compared to like a Corvette, bro. That shit's
Slam on the brakes again. No, you love stepping on it when cars are braking.
Bro, the brakes work good. We're chilling. Why are you scared, bro?
I'm not scared. I'm just not in control.
Bro, I used to wear my hat like this in high school. I don't know who I thought I was. fun to be quiet.
Bro, you shut up like 5 minutes.
Hey, you know what's so funny that everyone always thinks this sticker is like coated into the dash.
I know. It looks like it. It's really bad.
But it's not, bro. It's a sticker, guys. Everyone keeps asking, like, how'd you do that? Probably the most asked question about this car. But I did it because when I go like this, I put M mode. It hides the speed. The speed's right here. So now we never go over the speed limit. But yeah, look, it covers everything. I don't even know how fast I'm going now. And if you don't know, then
who knows?
then who knows?
Nick just asked me if I know this song. Does anyone know this song, or is he
Bro,
just
there's no way I'm
old?
that old.
Bro, you're pretty
I'm
old.
gonna find some more old music that you probably don't know.
It's Trimble. Will he perform when he has money right in front of
I've
him?
never heard
Run
this
up on
song.
that boy and kill his guy.
Am I just old, bro?
Yeah, I know Wiz Khalifa.
Yeah.
Damn, M5?
Bro, those exhausts are huge.
Yeah, the exhausters look like, I don't even know. They're sticking out a lot.
Yeah, the car looks sick though.
You like those, huh?
Yeah.
Jacob likes the big body cars.
I'm a big guy. I'm not.
I'm a big guy too. Alright, so if you guys are new to the channel, this is my G80 M3. It's 2021, I think. No, 2025 with the steering wheel. But we just single turboed it. It has a bunch of carbon fiber. I'll just go through the whole car real quick. For anyone that hasn't seen. Big single turbo. I think it's a 6870 turbo. I don't know. Turbo Smart. Shout out to Turbo Smart. We have like the oil catch can. Look, I'm learning, bro. The big old CSF manifold. This thing is like $8,000, just this. You know that? The manifold. And it has port injection, all that good stuff. Bigger injectors. The waste gates. See, I'm learning. Downstar hardware, and then a ton of carbon fiber. We got carbon here, carbon these things, carbon engine cover, carbon brace bar, carbon this cover. Oh, we did the red caps too, so everything's like red in here. Red caps, red caps, red caps. Oops. We got the carbon headlight delete, so this is all carbon. Also, I have a little headlight pod inside, so see? That's like, just in case a cop does pull me over, I'll turn it on real quick or something like that. Or if I see a cop, I'll turn it on. So it looks like a headlight. So there's a headlight pod in there. I think this is like super baller, bro. Of course, more red accents under here. Like little details, bro. This car is a lot. But yeah, this is the carbon hood, big old vents, carbon on the logos, carbon here, carbon here, carbon here. Bro, there's so much money put into this car. I think I did a mod list once, and I think it was like, if I remember, it was like $30,000 worth of mods. But now it's probably way more with the turbo kit. But that was like another like 20, bro. So it's like 50K a mod, bro. But yeah, more carbon, more carbon, more carbon, more carbon, more carbon. There's two side skirts. Carbon trunk, huge trunk. Carbon diffuser, has the whole under tray. Carbon exhaust tips, carbon extensions. Bro, I just started adding more carbon. Oh, tail lights, clear tail lights. The roll cage is fire. This is why the last thing I did to the car was roll cage. And we powder coated the same color as the turbo. The shift knob that we were talking about, RTD short shifter, that shit is sick. And yeah, this is my G80. A lot of work done to it, honestly. And in my opinion, one of the sickest looking G80s. In my opinion, it just looks freaking neat. You would think it's like 1,000 horsepower. It's about 800. We could turn it up, but the manual transmissions are pretty weak. I should have got an automatic so I could turn it up. It's manual, unfortunately, so we can only push so much power until the transmission just blows up. So it's at 800 right now. But it could make more if we had an automatic transmission. Like it has all the capabilities to make like 1,000. All right, I'll do like a flyby, downshifts, pop, revving.
And then before we leave, can we do a launch?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to launch it. I've never launched this car, guys, but I wanna try it. What if I left it? You gotta walk home. Yeah, I got your backpack too.
This looks so aggressive with just one headlight. Hey, turn on the pod. I see you signed up with that light.
sound sick?
Sounds so dope.
Can you hear the turbo from the outside?
Yeah, it sounds like a street sweeper.
That shit's loud.
All right, time for a ride along.
I missed fourth gear. I tried to bang it into fourth, bro. This shit got loose, look. I need to tighten it. Like the knob almost came off. That sounds so sick. I don't think they can hear the turbos full though, huh?
I feel like you hear a lot more in person.
That shit launches.
That shit kicked out a little bit.
It's also just fun to shift, bro. Like, this shit's sick. Should I try and launch it? We gotta watch a YouTube video because I don't know how to do it.
Let's watch a tutorial on how to do it.
How to launch a G80 manual. Bro, I think there's launch control. I don't know. That's what someone told me, so we'll see right now. Let's see if this guy knows. I'll be doing this when I eat. It fits perfect, look.
That's funny.
For the first time ever, I'm actually going to be able to show you and go over.
Okay, we have that
As you
off.
see, that also gives you the option right down here for your M traction control. Now, when you change that,
I have that? I don't have that.
Right down here in the
Joe, I don't have that, bro.
analyzer.
Drift analyzer.
No way, bro. You need to update yours.
Now let's go 10.
Oh, shit.
Show you how to activate your launch control when you have all you have to do is put your left foot on clutch,
Okay.
engage first gear. At this point, you floor it. Preparing launch control.
And you just pop the clutch?
Launch control active. At that point,
Oh, hell. This was gonna make me break my clutch. Bro, what if I actually like mess up my axles or something?
Why you get scared?
Bro, I don't think this was a red line that high. God damn, it's just loud, bro.
and then also show you how to activate the pressure.
Bro, when he did it, it like held at like 4K RPM.
Get ready.
See? It goes all the way up. I'm not launching it, guys. I'm not launching it. Alright, quit. The tires are so sticky too. Even if I try to launch it, it could break your axles, bro. Maybe the tune has something to do with it, but that's why I haven't launched it, because I'm scared. I hate when I can't do something, bro. I want to do it.
Gear shift assist on.
What is that?
Wow. Your favorite YouTuber doesn't know how to shift
Rev
without the
match?
assist. Yeah, rev match.
Yeah, I like it because, bro, like, I mean, some people don't like that. Some people hate this setting because it's like a fake manual.
So like, what does it really do? Because I don't know.
When I downshift the third, it literally rev matches for you, like.
Ah. All right, hold on.
I'm gonna try it without.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can do it. Ready? This you gotta really rev match it. See? I still got it.
Nah, it's much smoother the other way.
No, I'll try it without. Not bad. I can still do it, but it's just so much easier to do it on.
Oh, look, a fire over there.
No way, none of them have fire extinguishers, bro. You guys need one?
How do you get this out?
Yeah, that shit's stuck in there.
It's actually hard.
That's just going down with the fire, bro.
Bro, that's a tiny fire. How is it this much smoke?
Yeah, we really almost broke the G80 though. That was crazy. That shit went boom. If there's anyone that has a manual G80 that knows how to launch it, let me know. But what am I doing wrong, bro? Bro, I like closing the valves because then like all you hear is the turbo. So I don't hear nothing from the back no more. Look. So sick. What if we put 2 single turbos on this thing?
That's crazy.
Pretty sick, huh?
Yeah, that is.
That's insane, bro. He said 1670 wheel horsepower G80. Highest horsepower in the world.
That's crazy.
You don't ever run into people that want to race on the freeway.
You only run into them when you're in
Someone else's car, your girl's car, your mom's car. But never when I'm in my car do I run into someone that wants to race, bro. Nope, I don't race, brother. I follow the rules. I don't speed. I put my blinker on.
Am I blocking your mirror? You're all the way forward, bro.
Bro, I'm short. How's Chris already here? Bro, Chris just does not follow no rules. I hate driving Chris. He runs stop signs, red lines, makes his own lanes. Sorry. What's up? What are you watching, bro? Football? Who's gonna win the World Cup? Mexico? Egypt. I like how we're all wearing my merch. So you got what? They go faster. Me too. Jacob too. Honestly, both of you guys are always wearing the merch.
I'm so loud.
Yeah, like I wear it every day because it's mine. Like my whole closet is just merch, bro. From all the merch jobs I've had. He doesn't follow no rules. Chris does whatever he wants. Dude, my eating schedule is so bad. And then the stuff that I do eat is like unhealthy. Alright, what do we get?
I want the freshest thing.
Spicy spring?
This is bomb. Naughty pie? You like that, huh? Look at the naughty pie. Lately, I've been watching it because of him and my other homies. Everyone's watching soccer right now. All I know is that's Cristiano Ronaldo, right? Like he's about to shoot. Isn't he the best?
He kind of looks like you.
I wish my bank account looked like his.
Yeah.
Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth.
My guess is gonna be 2 billion.
Close?
Really?
This is 1.4.
1.4
billion, bro.
Oh, that's crazy.
God damn, bro. Just give me like a little 1 mil or something, bro. We
Yeah.
made it.
Chris, who's gonna win?
Is Egypt even in here still? Yeah?
How are they doing?
Let's see if they win tomorrow.
How much money are you up right now?
Down.
How much? 2,000? Or 200?
2,500.
And if they win tomorrow?
I'm still down.
Damn. So you're down no matter what, the World Cup. Get even, or get even worse. You gotta do that, G.
Get even
So
or
now-
get even worse? That's
Tomorrow
fine.
you gotta bet 2,500. Another one.
Yeah, you gotta double it, Chris.
Oh my god, bro. This shit was gas.
Sunset Square.
This is bomb, bro. I knew it. But the car's really fast, actually. You let me drive it yesterday? Or the other day? That shit's fast. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, smash the like button. Little chill vlog. Pretty much just trying to get everything ready for tomorrow because tomorrow's video is going to be a banger. Again, the winner's going to come pick up the E92 and we're going to make a really sick video. Actually, we're making 2 vlogs. Tomorrow we got another video too with Ray and Ron. You'll see both of them in the vlog tomorrow too. Damn, we got to film a lot, but hope you guys enjoyed this video and this style video. We're going to start filming more like this if Jacob's down and if I pay Jacob more. So you guys better smash the like button. And yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow. It should be lit.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.